How to install Mac OS Sonoma on VirtualBox on Windows. If you want to install Mac OS Sonoma on VirtualBox, then in this video we will show you the steps to install Mac OS Sonoma on Oracle VirtualBox in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Step 1. Install VirtualBox and the extension pack. Step 2. Create Mac OS Sonoma virtual machine and configure it. Step 3. Run VirtualBox code to the command prompt. Step 4. Start the virtual machine and install Mac OS Sonoma. Download links in video description and watch the full video for how to. Let's start. First we need to download and install VirtualBox on Windows. Go to the VirtualBox website. Link in the video description. Download the latest version of the VirtualBox. Also download VirtualBox extension pack. Navigate the folder where you have downloaded your VirtualBox. Double-click on the downloaded VirtualBox file to install it. Click on the Next button to continue. Click Next. Click Yes. Click Yes. Then click the Install button. Click Finish and start the VirtualBox. After installation, next step is, you have to install the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on the Tools menu, then select Extensions. Click on the plus icon to add the extension. Select the VirtualBox extension, which you downloaded at the beginning of this video. Click Install button. Click Agree. OK. Go back to Welcome screen. The next step is to create a new virtual machine for Mac OS Sonoma and customize it. Click New. Now give a name for the virtual machine. Simply type Mac OS Sonoma. Destination folder for new virtual machine. Select your Mac OS Sonoma ISO file. Type Mac OS X. Version Mac OS X 64-bit. Click Next. On the Hardware tab, increase the RAM memory size to at least 8 GB. Set the virtual CPU count according to your main computer CPU. Click Next. Maximize the size of the hard disk to 100 GB. Click Next. Finally, click Finish. After creating a virtual machine, the next step is customize certain things. Now, select Settings to customize. From the left-handed window side, select the System tab, then uncheck the floppy disk. Select the Display tab, then increase the video memory size to 128 MB. Go to USB and select USB 3.0. Finally, click the OK button to close. Once you've created and customized your virtual machine, it's time to run some codes to install Mac OS on VirtualBox. Close the VirtualBox to apply the code to the command prompt. Now navigate to the Windows Start menu, type CMD. Once the CMD appears, you can run as administrator. We need to copy and paste these codes to the command prompt. Before that, we need to change the VM name with the virtual machine name we have created. We will add these codes in the video description. Copy the first line of the command. Paste it into the command prompt window and hit Enter. Then copy the rest of the commands. Paste it into the command prompt window and hit Enter. Close command prompt. Next, start the Mac OS Sonoma virtual machine. Open your VirtualBox again. Click Start. Please wait a moment until some line of codes and the Apple logo is gone. Select your preferred language and click the arrow icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Select Disk Utility and click Continue. Choose VBox Hard Disk Media. Then click Erase. Enter a name, then click Erase. When finished, click Done. Close the disk utility. Select Install Mac OS Sonoma and click Continue. Choose Continue. Click Agree. And once again select Agree. Select the drive and click Continue. Now, wait patiently. It will take a good 40 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the speed of your PC or laptop. Bear in mind that the Mac OS Sonoma virtual machines will restart several times. Be patient. Now configuring Mac OS Sonoma for the first time on VirtualBox. Select your country or region and click Continue. Choose your preferred language and click Continue. Click Not Now. Click Continue. Click the Not Now button to continue. Set it up later. Click on Skip. Select Agree to Terms and Conditions. Create an account. Enter a name and password. Click Continue. Click Continue. Select your time zone and click Continue. Click Continue. Set up screen time later. Now, select your preferred look. Light, dark, or auto, and click Continue. Finally, Mac OS Sonoma is successfully installed on VirtualBox. We hope this helps you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to create more helpful videos for you. Thank you.